today, I'm starting a new series called
Hi guys, it's me Soha and welcome back to my channel and also welcome to the fifth and the last episode of Vlogmas. So first of all, a very Merry Christmas to you all. I can't believe that it's Christmas already and a very Happy New Year guys. Also look guys, my Christmassy nails. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my bullet journal supplies haul, and this is a Christmas special video. Also these supplies are going to be very affordable. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon besides the subscribe button. Also like and share. Feel free to comment down below. Also follow me on my Instagram, and yeah, let's get started.
From today, I'm starting a new series called #Bujo with Soha.
Okay, so first of all, you guys might be thinking that what is a bullet journal? So a bullet journal is a book, a diary or a planner in which you can track your mood, your habit and many more things. Also, you can even plan your years, your month, your weeks and even your days. So that is a really cool thing about this bullet journal system and I really love it. So basically I'm starting a bullet journal to make myself more creative and to make my life productive.
So my inspiration for starting a bullet journal is Amanda Racheli on YouTube, and from my opinion she's the queen of bullet journals, so guys can check out her channel too. And yeah, she's very good at bullet journaling, so she always inspires me and her themes are also very beautiful.
To start a bullet journal you only need a book and a pen. Not all of these fancy supplies, but if you want to invest in that then you can. So the first supply that I have here is my bullet journal. So first let's unbox it. So this is the bullet journal that I have ordered, and now let's unbox it. So guys, this is the bullet journal that I have ordered and it is by Factor Notes. So it has 100 GSM paper, 160 pages are there, and it is dot grade and A5 size. Okay, so as you guys have seen that this is my bullet journal for 2021, and you guys might already have seen the unboxing of this. And yeah, so this bullet journal is from the brand Factor Notes and it is a made in India brand, so that is a really good thing. Also these papers are 100 GSM, so that is a good thing. Then this book has 160 pages. Then this book has dot grid pages and it is of A5 size. Also I have choose this lavender color because I really love how this color looks, and these book also have these tiny little flowers on the right edge of the book, so that is a really cool thing. And yeah, they have also provided us this thank you letter, so that is very kind of Factor Notes. And yeah, that's all for my bullet journal. Now let's move to our next supply. So the next supply that I have here is this mechanical pencil and this eraser. So a pencil is really good for rough sketches, and then an eraser and a sharpener is must. So I like to use these mechanical pencil, but you guys can even use simple pencil, and this has a eraser and a sharpener. So that is a really cool thing and it is by DOMS. Okay, so the next supply that I have here is this white pen, and a white pen is very useful, and as you guys can see I really love this white pen and I have already used it. And this is from Uniball Signo and this is a creamy white color. So this I have bought from a regular stationery shop, but it is also available online. So the link is in the description. A white pen is really useful for giving highlights to your drawings and many more things. So yeah. The next thing that I have here is this Sakura Pigma Micron fine liner, and it is 0.25 mm fine liner, and it is the first one. This fine liner is available online in set of 3, which is very useful, and the ink is waterproof. So that is a really cool thing about this fine liner, and it works very smoothly. So you guys can buy this too. The next supply that I have here to show you guys is a black pen. So a black pen is very useful in outlining your drawings or making some lines or many other things like that. So I like to use this Max black pen because it's really dark, and also this is refillable. So that is a really cool thing about this, and I have bought this from a stationery shop. You guys can even use any type of black pen, it is okay. So the next supply that I have here to show you guys is a blue ball pen and a blue gel pen. So I typically use a blue gel pen for writing anything, but a ball pen is also very useful, so you guys can use anything that you want, a ball pen or a gel pen, which you're comfortable with. So the next supply that I have here to show you guys are these connector pens, and these are from Faber-Castell. There are 24 shades in this pack which I have bought, and it is very useful in coloring your drawings and also in outlining. Also, as these pens are connector pens, they can connect to each other in such way, and it doesn't take a lot of space for storage. So that is a really cool thing about these markers. And these pens have a lot of shades even if you buy this 24 color shade pack. The next supply that I have here are this Camlin brush pens, and I really love this brush pens because they are very pigmented and works very smoothly. I have done an unboxing video for this, so if you guys haven't watched it, then go watch it. The link is in the descriptions and in the cards. These pens are very useful. They work very smoothly, as I said you. And yeah, we are also going to do the pen test in our bullet journal. So stay tuned guys and watch this video till the end. The next thing that I have here is these 15 shades of watercolor from DOMS. So this 15 shades pack is also very useful. If you are a person who likes watercoloring in your bullet journal or make art with watercolors, then this is a very good thing. You don't need costly watercolors or even more shades of this. Only these 15 shades of this watercolor are very good. You guys can even use these watercolor tubes from Camlin. They are also very pigmented and very useful. This is a pack of 6 shades, but I even have this 12 shades pack. Both of them are very useful. The next supply is this water brush, and these are very useful if you're traveling and you want to make an art. You don't have to carry water. You can fill the water in this barrels. So that is a really cool thing about these water brush pen set, and these are 3 of them. I have done an unboxing video and also used and shown these brush pens. So if you guys haven't watched it, the link is in the descriptions and in the cards. The next supply that I have here are these brushes. So these brushes are very useful. You can use any type of brushes, but I personally like to use these brushes from Angler Beer. There are more 11 brushes in this pack. I'm just showing you guys here 2 of them. So I really like to use these brushes because they have a very smooth bristles and they also paint very smoothly. So that's a very good thing, and the unboxing video is already uploaded on my channel. So the next supplies that I have here to show you guys are these coloring papers or craft papers. So these papers are very useful for scrapbooking purpose or even for bullet journaling, where you create a theme which is a really scrapbooky theme, or you can even rip out these papers and attach it in your bullet journal to give your spread a really beautiful look. Adds a very cool touch in your spreads. So that's a very good thing about these colored papers. So the next thing that I have here to show you guys is this ruler, and it is a really good ruler because it contains circles and even ovals for us. That is a really cool thing about this ruler. You can make perfect circles using this and even perfect ovals using this, or you can even use a regular simple ruler. So the next supply that I have here is a correction pen. So this is a whitener. I really love using whitener for fixing some mistakes and even to give some highlights to our drawings. If you're a person who loves to use color pencils, then this is also a really good thing for making your spreads. They look very beautiful in your spreads when you use them, and these are from my mega art set, but you guys can even buy the Camlin pencil colors.
Okay guys, so now it's time for the pen test. The first marker that I'm testing here is the Camlin brush pen. I'm using the black and the red marker. Then the next one that I'm testing is the connector pens. Then the next one is Trimax black pen. Then Sakura Pigma Micron fine liner. Then I also decided to use the pencil color and the watercolor and also the Camlin tube paints. So now let's see if there is any ghosting or bleeding behind the paper. So there is a little bit of ghosting with the Camlin brush pen, but that doesn't bother me that much, and the paper do buckle up where I use the watercolor cakes and the tube paints, but when the paints were dried, the paper was straight again. So that's a very good quality paper, and yeah, there wasn't any bleed through with the paper.
So guys, I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this bullet journal haul, and yeah, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I hope that you have the same fun watching it. And yeah, Merry Christmas guys once again. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you loved it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon besides it. Also share and feel free to comment down below. Also guys, my next video is going to be my 2021 bullet journal setup, so stay tuned, and as a Christmas gift, please subscribe to my channel. So meet you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year guys. Bye.